Deep in the sanctum of the brood chamber, where the air is thick with the scent of youth, a crime is in progress.
An ant worker approaches a soft, pale grub. It is 3 times the size of an ant larva. It has the wrong shape. It has the wrong face.
It is a monster,
And yet,
she feeds it.
the worker regurgitates a droplet of precious liquid food, the lifeblood of the colony. The grub drinks greedily.
A wolf in sheep's clothing.
The black garden ant uses its highly sensitive antennae to navigate the complex world around it.
It is a world built on smell.
Hydrocarbons matched. Access granted.
It does not merely hide its scent. It synthesizes the colony's own perfume. It has cracked the Enigma code of the nest.
We zoom in to the microscopic level. The beetle larva has specialized glands along its back.
A worker ant grows suspicious. Her antennae tap the larva's side. The investigation begins.
The guest is now safe. But the guest is hungry. And it does not want the liquid food anymore. It wants meat.
The nurse workers do nothing. Their senses are jammed. They stroke the killer while it devours their sister.
Deep within the wooden galleries, the colony's future is meticulously protected.
Weeks pass. The larva, bloated on stolen food and murdered kin, prepares for its final act.
They are incubating their own nightmare.
The metamorphosis is complete. The cocoon breaks. An adult beetle emerges. It is armored, reddish-brown, and tank-like.
The illusion flickers.
A soldier ant lunges. She grabs the beetle's leg. She realizes, too late, that this is an intruder.
The rhinoceros beetle secretes a defensive fluid from specialized glands in its shoulder tuft.
The soldier stops. She falters. The rage drains out of her.
Emerging from the cool earth, the rhinoceros beetle begins its nocturnal journey, guided by the blue moonlight. Because the code of life is fragile, the beetle targets the most fundamental signals of the ant society, the signals for baby and friend.
The dung beetle, silhouetted by the moon, prepares for its maiden flight.
In the Amazon, trust is a fatal weakness.